Good morning, students. So today we will study about the injuries. It was a request from one student that ma'am please give a lecture about the injury. It's very difficult topic. So that is why I decided to give the lecture for this topic. And so what is injury is definition of injury is any harm whether illegally caused to any person, body, mind, reputation or property. So injuries comes in the section 44 IPC. IPC is Indian Penal Code. Okay, so injury can be on body, can be on mind, and can be on reputation or can be on property. So, and if we define on the injury on particular human body, then it is called as wound. Okay, so breach of the natural continuity of skin or mucous membrane is called as wound. Okay, so if we see the classification, these are as wise. So based on the causative factor, there are 5 type of classification of injury. These are: first is mechanical, second is thermal, third is chemical, fourth is miscellaneous, and fifth is based on the severity of injury. Okay, there is another 2 classification which are on the nature of injuries and based on the time of infliction. So I will tell you in detail one by one. So first is mechanical or physical injury. Okay, so we can remember it as ABLE SF square. Okay, A for aberration, B for bruise or contusion, L for laceration, I for incised wound, S for stab, and F for firearm or fracture. Okay, and next is thermal injury. If you see, due to application of heat, there are 2 type of effects. First is general effect, second is local effect. In general effect, we can see 2 type of injuries like heat cramp and heat stroke. And for local effect, these are as wise burn and scald. So students, mind it that it is very difficult topic, but I am explaining you according to the norms. Like I will give some code words for you to remember. So if I am telling you step by step, you should make these notes on your notebook so that you can learn side by side, right? So due to application of the cold, there are 2 type of effects like general effect and local effect. If you see the general effect, this is called as hypothermia, and if you see the local effect, this is frostbite and trench foot. Next, if we see the chemical injuries, there are 2 types. First is irritation, which is due to weak acid or alkali. Okay, next is corrosion, it is due to strong acid or strong alkali. Okay, next is miscellaneous injury. These are 4 types. First is electrical, second is radiation, third is lightning, D is blast injury. Okay, and if you see the 5th category, that is called based on the severity of the injury, that is simple wound, simple injury or grievous hurt. Okay, it is also called as simple hurt or grievous hurt, right? Next, if we see the medico-legal classification, there are 5 types. First is suicidal, second is homicidal, third is accidental, fourth is defense wound, fifth is fabricated wound or self-inflicted wound. And if we see the time of infliction, that is antemortem and postmortem.